Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the TV model and available inputs so you know which controls apply. This matters because menus vary by brand. Once done, power up the TV and the source device and switch to that input. Make sure you have the remote or TV app handy. You will need direct access to the picture or display menu. Now open that menu and locate picture size, aspect ratio, or zoom. Those are the first controls you will use to increase the visible screen area. Next, adjust both the TV and the source device so they agree on resolution and scaling. First, change the TV picture size to full, just scan, or 16:9. If those are unavailable, try zoom or wide, but test each to avoid cropping. Then, on your Blu-ray player, console, or PC, set the output to the TV's native resolution, 1080p or 4K, and disable any device-side scaling. Finally, enable PC or game mode on the TV if present. That often turns off overscan and preserves the full image. To finish, fine-tune the image position using horizontal and vertical shift, or the TV's auto-adjust so edges align with the bezel. Make sure to save or store the picture settings as a profile after confirming across different sources and content types. If you see black bars, cropped edges, or parts missing, reset the picture mode to default, receipt, or swap HDMI cables, and double-check the source's resolution and scaling options. If one fix fails, systematically revert changes until the display is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.